When I first got into recovery in 1994, I was diagnosed with a severe depression disorder, and I had nowhere to go. And they hospitalized me, and when I came out, I spent a lot of time in angst and emotional turmoil working through that for the next year. And I vowed that at some point in time in my life, I would create a place where men who were struggling like me had that place where they could go to and do it safely and do it therapeutically and come out the other end stronger for the experience.
Our staff is very well trained and are credentialed and licensed. We have a PhD psychologist on staff that evaluates every patient. We have a psychiatrist that evaluates every patient. We have a trauma specialist. We have a nutritionist. And we deal with men 30 and above because they are kind of a unique demographic, and their needs are very different than some of the other demographics.
I have felt it very important that we offer a program that's relevant to men who have life experience. Many of the men who come to us are executives and professionals. Most of our men are married. A very important component of our program is the family. And what we do is we take a more individualized approach. We actually bring the family in to meet with the therapist on individual sessions. That way they are able to spend a couple of days in some meaningful therapy related to the challenges that that family is experiencing rather than that all the other families experience.